For this video, I am going to teach you how you can enter opening balances in Xero. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to the official website at xero.com and then just log in to your account using your credentials. So once you are in the dashboard section of Xero, you just need to head over to the accounting. It should be the third option right there. And then from the drop-down menu, go to the advanced section. And then here, go ahead and select conversion balances. So this is where you can add all of your accounts right here on the section. But if you want to change your conversion date for your transaction or for your opening balance, you can just hit this conversion date right here. And then on this section, you'll be able to see the default setting for it is the first or the month that you are currently in right now. So for example, it says right here August 2024, but you can edit that out. You can just simply click this downward arrow and then select the month that you want to, and also for the year. Now, once you have added or you have changed your conversion date, what you can do next is to add all of your accounts. So for this one, I'm just going to cancel this two accounts right here, and then I'm just going to add new ones. So for this one, I'm just going to add new lines. I'm going to select for the first one, prepayments. So I'm just going to scroll down to my assets, hit prepayments, and enter the amount for that. So I'm going with, for the my transaction, 6,000. And then for the other one, I'm going with the accounts receivable. I'm just going to add accounts payable also. So for my accounts receivable, I have 3,500, and for my accounts payable, it should be under the credit right here. So make sure that you will enter the amounts properly on the respective areas. So for the assets, you just need to align it in the debit section, and then for all of your expenses and credits, make sure to add them in the credit column. So for the accounts payable, I have 2,000. And then for the next one, the loans payable, or I'm just going with the loans, and I have 4,500 for it. And lastly, what I have is the owner's share capital of 3,000. So after you have added all of your amounts and or all of the amounts for your accounts, as you can see right here, make sure that your balances will or your the totals of your debits and credits are balanced. So just make sure that there's no adjustment needed for it. So once you have done that, you just need to hit the save button right here. So once you have added your save button, then you'll be able to see this on your screen. So this means that well you have prompted Xero, or you have added a transaction in Xero or a record in Xero, which you have added a balance receivable of 3,500. So then you need to add the sales invoice or credit notes for it to back up the transaction. So if you want to do that, just hit this add invoice button right here and then add all of the information. So I'm going with the customer. So I'm just going with a sample customer right here, due date, today, reference number. I'm not going to add that. Now for the item, going with 200. So by the way, I am just using these transactions as a sample, so just don't mind the information that I am using. So I'm just going to add 17.5 so that the balance is also at 3,500. So just make sure that all of the information are correct for your transaction or for your invoice. And once you are done with this one, you just need to hit the save and return to list button situated on the upper right part of your screen. That now what you can do next is to hit this next button. So also it says right here matched. So it says right here your total invoices match your total accounts receivable. So click next to continue. And now for the next part, this is where you'll need to add your bills for your accounts payable. So again, it needs to have a backup record or backup information so that your bills will bring or your notes or your accounts will be balanced. So going with add bill section right here, add that, click onto that rather, and then you just need to fill in all of your information right there. Just going with this one, reference number for the due date. I am going to select this day. Item, going with purchases, description. Now for the quantity, I'm just going with 1. The unit price is at 2,000. For the account, I'm going with purchases. So after you have added all of your information, make sure that they are correct. And also make sure to add this total amount right here, situated on the upper right corner. And then hit save. Now, once you have done that, then you'll be able to see again this matched information or section on this part. Hit next, and then that should do it. So once you have added all of your accounts right here and added all of your notes and bills, you just need to hit the save button. So that is basically it. That is how you can create or enter an opening balance here in Xero. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.